If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the compact clutch. How classy is she? Let me show you some of the amazing features of this wallet. So you can see it has this gorgeous bar clasp along the top. It can be made in different kinds of patchwork. If you wanted, you could have like a solid slit here and some print around the sides. There's just so many different ways we could customize this wallet for what you wanted. I used this lovely panel. It was to match a bag that I have here, and I just love how this turned out. So it's closed with the snap. This is the back of it. When you open it up, it's very slimline. It opens up very flat. You have 10 card slots. You also have 2 clear card slots here, a slip pocket here, a zipper pocket here, as well as another slip pocket here. So for a very slim bag, it definitely holds a lot. I just love it. I can't wait to make more of these. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is linked down below. And if you're part of my bag makers group, there is a tutorial on this. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. And we also have a course on this. It's a 2-class course that is available to members right away. It's for our November 2025 course sew along. It's all done in real time, unlike the tutorial, which is kind of a sped up version, just to kind of give you an idea of how it goes together. So if you wanted a real-time course, you can always join the membership side. It is down below in the description how to do that. Or after 18 months, it does go to the public side. So this is November 2025. So 18 months from now, if it's then make sure you check out the courses section of the channel, and you will find this one. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.